Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you have not already subscribed, please do so before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is from a company that is called ThePaperBox. And this is a monthly subscription. And you can get two variations for the monthly subscription. One is the mini, which is $9 and change per month, and the grand subscription, which is $23.75 a month. And I received the mini. I wanted to give it a try and see what it was all about. I did see another YouTuber do the grand, so I figured I would get the mini since I already saw what the grand was. And like I said, see what is involved with that. And it includes 3 personalized notepads. And each month you get a new theme. And that is for the mini. And the grand is filled with personalized stationery products. Same thing, new theme each month. And the grand contains like notepads, thank you notes. I think I did see for the December one, they got some cards and, you know, tablets and stuff like that. So I wanted to try the mini. So it came in this nice gold foil package. And on the back, it says, take note, which was very nice. So then inside the package, it comes nicely wrapped. So we will unwrap it. And inside, it says My Paper Box, and this is December 2018. So we will see if I can slip this off here. And the first item that I see, and these are all personalized, so I had my first name put on them, which is cute. And this is a notepad. Oh, it's a sideways one. Oh, okay. I thought it was up and down. So there's, you know, quite a few pages here. Little flower in the corner. It says, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? And then it's kind of hard to see that. That's down there, but that's a cute notepad. That's a decent size. I would say there's probably 25 sheets of paper there, but I like the personalized. This way, if you want to drop a note to someone, I'm just trying to keep this neat here. We'll leave that there for that. And then the second one is a tablet that also goes this way. And probably, you know, again, 25 sheets. So that's the size of it. And it says, remember, Maureen, you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. And it has like a leaf pattern off to the side. So that's really adorable. And then the last one that was in the box. So this is straight up and down tablet here. And I would say, you know, about 25 sheets of paper, you know, personalized again. And on the bottom it says, isn't it funny how day by day nothing changes, but when you look back, everything is different. And this has a little flower motif off to the right hand side. So that's really cute. So I'm happy with all 3 of those options. And like I said, this is a monthly subscription that's coming from My Paper Box. This is the December 2018 box. If you are interested in the grand subscription monthly, the YouTuber that I watched unbox that, her name is Just, and it's the dash that's like lower, like that's down, you know, on the floor, if you, however you want to say that. So it's Just dash Anne, A-N-N-E, and she unboxed the grand subscription from My Paper Box. If you want to go take a look there and see what that one's about and see if you're interested. But this is the mini, which the price of the mini is, oh, it's $9.16 a month. There might be some tax. I'm really not sure. I don't remember if I pay tax or not. And then the grand is $23.75 a month. And the grand, you get notepads and thank you cards. And the December one, I saw she had, I believe she had some tablets, and she received, I don't know, maybe 10 or 12 you know, cards, whether they're Christmas cards or, you know, thank you cards or whatever type of cards they were, with envelopes. And I do believe it had an address on it. So you can have, you know, your return address. She had her P.O. box on it, which was really nice. So you can pick between those two subscriptions. And like I said, they have good ratings and good reviews, which is always good for something, you know, for a company that you don't really hear that much about. So this is the My Paper Box for December 2018. And thanks for watching. Bye.